Hey guys, it's Marie with WTI and I have colored pencils.
This product is really unique. I love the versatility of these color pencils. You can use the tip and make the color darker, or if you want, you can roll or twist up the color pencil, put it on its side, and it covers a lot more surface area. And it'll be nice and light and easier to blend. There's so much color in the color pencil. It rolls up pretty far, which means it lasts for a really long time. I also love that there are some light colors in there, so if you want to do some fun crafts with black paper, that's fun. Look at all these colors that come with this set. So many different varieties, different shades, and so many different options.
So if you're into art or if you just like to doodle and color, maybe even just fill in some coloring pages, I definitely would highly recommend this product. I have used it for so many different reasons. I love it as an adult. My kids love it. So it's really for all ages. I love this product and that's my point of view.